Oh, what's up, my people? My name is Anis Digits, and today it has been a long since I produced a video, and most of you have been waiting. Now I'm back in full swing. Today, I just want to show you a little a site which is going to help you to get some money. If you are a content creator and you're a person who wants to make money online, this is another new way of how you're going to make money online. Of course, with your smartphone, with your internet, with your computer or your smartphone or your computer, whatever you have and it's connected online, you can start making money right now. Okay, now before I go out, if you love this video and you have been sharing out, thank you so much. If you are a person who is a returning subscriber for finding out Anis Digits and you see the content that I'm giving out is quite important to you, make sure you share and continue pushing. We are at 240 subscribers. I want us at the end of this week so that we can click 300, 400 and more. Make sure you share all these videos with your friends on Facebook, on Twitter, Instagram and so forth. So make sure you keep it here and let me show you. Some of these sites are free of charge. You don't have to pay anything. You don't have to sign up, a lot of signing up, and they are legit. I'll show you a proof at the end of this video. So let me take you, if you're a content creator, if you have talent in writing, if you have talent in voicing, this platform is quite important for you, created entirely for you since 2017. All right, now and more content is coming up. My name is Daniel. Stick here as I show you this video. Click here right away. And here we are on the website. The platform will make your voice heard. Discover and collaborate with the top influencers, content creators and publishers from all over the world and begin your journey in making. So if you're a publisher, you'll click on this button here and join. Now let me show you some of the things about this platform. It's also all in one platform to run seamless brand campaigns. If you are maybe a brand or a company, you can also use this platform to start this for free by clicking on the arrow facing your right. Okay, so it's also the best and most diverse talents on the click. All right, so plaqad marketplace gives you access to the best influencers, content creators and publishers on the planet. So all sides of content creators, influencers and creators all are supposed to sign up. Now I'll show you the link where you're going to sign up and start making money here. Now stay on top of your game. Are you a content creator, influencer, publisher? plaqad shows you the ropes and gives you the opportunity to work with the biggest brands across the globe. You'll see many more opportunities which you can also access through this. Okay, now no matter the size of your project, there is a talent for you. Okay, so there is a talent for you. You have to click here and join the amazing talent of people who are producing content all over in different categories, maybe personalized or even using biggest companies ever in this. So what happens is the major campaign, it's long-term contract and short-term contracts, all of them are featured here. So it's upon you to start looking at this platform right now. Okay, now let's get started with plaqad. You'll click on this link on the website and it take you to plaqad and we start doing this right away. You can check around some of the testimonials. As a small startup, we worked closely with plaqad, so that is how it is all along. Now do we get click here and start. Now when you come here, what brings you here is, are you a brand or a creator? So what you have to do is to click on one of them. If you're a brand or a company and you're looking to market, to make content creators, to have your content online be pushed, or what type of services you're looking for, or if you're a creator, I'll assist you. You have to click on this platform here, then step by step as I'm showing you, make sure you click and link and start making money. All right, the link is in description box, so you don't have to worry. Right now, if you are a returning subscriber and you love Ernest and you feel this is what you have been looking for and this is what you want to do as your personal your personal project, and if this is something you want to do for long term and increase your income, now make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, because here is what I do. So if you're an influencer, you have to click on the first icon, and if you're a publisher, you'll click on the second, and if you're a content creator, you'll click on the third picture icon on your screen. Now this is what I want you to do. Make sure, let me know, what type of influencer are you? What type of influencer are you? Then if you're a publisher, let me know what type of content do you publish. Make sure you comment down there below, so that next time I make a video, it will be, this is our just starting, is when we are starting, and I will show you all of this until where you sign up, where you click, where to go, until you start receiving something as your personal money, okay, as you make money online. Create here. Also, we are content creators. Let's click the content creator. Now, this is how it comes about. Hey there, welcome to the good side. Join the community to get matched with top brands. So you can sign up using the three platforms, that is sign up with Twitter or Google sign up or Facebook. Now you can do so also using your email address. You choose your password, enter your password. Make sure you check this button here. Make sure you check that button for terms and services, and then click on the let's do this. If you're already a member, you can log in through here. Okay, now since we want to sign up, let's sign up and see. I'll use my Facebook account, and if you find me on Facebook, make sure you send me a friend request, and let's select your country. Of course, here I'll select my country. My country here is Kenya. My country here is Kenya. Then proceed. Then you have to choose your category. Okay, you have to choose your category here. Is it academic writing? Are you an ad copy, animation, articles, blog post, business plan, business proposal, business writing, speech writing, speeches, storyboard, technical writing, terms of use, Twitter, thread, and then videographer? I am a voice over. Okay, now if you get all what you wanted there, you just choose one and click proceed. Now here there's something like a charge. It depends. Please choose the minimum or maximum charge per story. How much do you charge? Like your clients, if your clients come in, how much did you charge? Between $10 to $2,600 maximum pay for your services. So don't worry, this is not about amount you're going to pay, but you can choose between these. Then you can proceed. What I do, I always charge just $10 per minute, and then that is it. Then I goes finishing up. So we are submitting my voice of charges, and then here is my dashboard, right? And it has brought in my beautiful icon, picture icon, and then we have my dashboard. We have the other dashboards. As you can see, it moves around. All right, beautiful. And you can see here we have plaqad, professionals, tasks, and updates. So when you click, there's an update here which they say, let's see all. What does it say? You are in here, you can view, you can click and view, and then you can filter some of these and see what are some of welcome to plaqad. We are super excited to have you join. Okay, now when you click on your profile, first of all, you have to click on dashboard and see your dashboard. Some of the things that your ongoing campaigns, total campaigns, your wallet, inactive, plaqad subscription, then amount that you have in your pocket, and the amount that can be withdrawn. Okay, now you can come here and click on your profile. So you can check some of the profile here. You can write something beautiful about yourself. What are services that you offer? Then you can pick your category and continue adding in more services when you grow up, and some of the services that you offer which are much most selling, or which you can do better. Okay, then you can send out proposals. If we have any proposals, you can click here and check some tasks and submissions. If you have any, because we have just created some of these this profile right now, so you find that we don't have much more here. But my proposals, you can create your proposal as you continue bidding for these jobs. And then we have your portfolio, right? Here is a chance to show off the best projects you have worked. Okay, it is a yes, you can start uploading right now. If there are any other projects that you have engaged yourself and done them very well, and you can also upload them here. And if you have what other people say, maybe there are comments on social media, the work that you've done, or maybe there are other jobs, maybe you wrote a good article and people gave you good comments, you can share them here, you can upload them here so that you can showcase what other people say about you. So if you have any payments, your wallet balance you'll see here, and then you can also top up, and also you'll see the total amount you have withdrawn. Connect your bank, you can connect your bank account here. And then now we are down here where we have my cards. And some of the cards that we use here are Visa cards. You can add a bank account, okay? And then start now looking at your dashboard and finding jobs, okay? And finding, so you can come here, click the tasks, and let's see. Now, explore task. Discover the best graphic design work, the most engaging copywriting, art and direction and creative. This is where bloggers, copywriters, Twitter influencers, and Bella Niger, they are here. Okay, now you can see some of the jobs that people have worked on. They are around 403 task found. Okay, now you can click here and see the last updated one published, and then application deadline, so you can find some of these. And professional needed, publisher, so you'll see some of these jobs, and you can bid them and see what happens written. So we have someone here who needs a newsletter and a blog content creator. You can click here. So they say newsletter, blog content, the application, no rating, tasks. We like to publish a blog post on your platform, hiring for one publisher. Okay, so you'll see some of these application deadline files July of 15th. In fact, this is the budget is $285. Okay, you're not eligible to apply for this. So most of these jobs, when the reason why I'm not eligible is that I've my profile states that I'm a voiceover artist. And if you're a newsletter, blog content someone who does blog content, you can apply for this, and you'll find that you'll get all these immediately. Okay, now you see ID Africa Limited. What they're looking for is a blog post for a food competition, hiring only one publisher, pre-event blog and plus photos. So application deadline again is 15th of July 2021. Budget is $114. Okay, I'm not eligible because I am a voiceover artist. Okay, now you'll see, scroll around and see most of these jobs online, and if you click most of these, you'll find that the few tasks that are hiring publishers, those people who are working with content, 170. Okay, you see, $170. So all these, you can bid them and find them and start making money online. That is when you can also search some of the keywords. Okay, if you're looking for keywords, you can copywriter, blogger, or what, influencer. You'll find most of them coming here. And take this as an example. If I click here and write here voice, just voice over, and do the search. Let me see. Of course, after you do the search, you'll find that it will bring you the latest and some of the things that voiceover are looking. Where else are they looking for voiceover? So they are saying 66 tasks found, and which have voiceovers. So you'll come here and Social media, let's see, this one is no rating task. We want Nigerians in the US to learn of MoneyMe across Africa content platform. Our ideal talents will create content in line with their brand, but that speaks to the MoneyMe propositions. It can be a skit about money transfer and so forth. So they're saying the skills you need to have: opinion, tutorials, Instagram post, video, if you're looking for Instagram content. So down here they say you're not eligible. Reason: this budget, it goes at $5,000. So it's not a simple job. You have to be so much well with experience. Okay, so Union Bank say we have Instagram posts. All these are for June, May, and I hope all of these were done before. So you'll first of all go to a content where you can get, so, and you remember with plaqad.com you can also add you are currently subscribed to a plaqad plan. Click here to get started. Okay, so you have social media account tracker where you can add your social media keyword, hashtags, and tracker. Then you'll see most of these trackers and follow up some of the keywords and hashtags which are being used, so that you can find good content which you can publish. Okay, so this is plaqad IQ beta professionals. And then we have professionals, those people who are professions around here that are giving out good content and publishers. We have Zikoko publisher, we have these. You can also be part of this by writing to them and joining them and doing this. So all these are content creators, influencers around here who can do your job. So if you are one of them, also go to your profile and create a good profile, write your good portfolio, and show us some of the content, some of the talent that you have, which you can do this. Okay, now when you finish that, go to your profile and go to your settings and set up your profile. If you want to delete your account, you can do that. And then your content, it has your email address, and then you can also go to dashboard and create some of the best profile ever, where you can also start making money. And using of hashtags, ongoing campaigns, you can make some campaigns for yourself and start making money. My name is Ernest, and if you're looking for a permanent solution, if you're looking for something so long lasting, how to make money online, I have a website. I also work as an affiliate of selling online and doing voiceover artist, and this is just part of my showcasing on where I share for free how to make money online, and sharing websites and apps and sites which can help you to make money from home, adding something in your daily salary income. Okay, this is Ernest. When you sign up using this link in the description below, make sure you share this video with your friends and family, so that you can all make money all together. See you in the next video as I invade you more ways on how to make money online. See you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe, click here, and comment below. Let me know what type of influencer are you, what type of content creator are you, or what type of talent do you have online, and which country are you located in, because this one is free of charge. See you in the next video.